Hey everyone, welcome to WebToTech channel, and in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change H&M account password. So H&M is a shopping platform where you can get various items ranging from clothing, kidswear to other various items. So without any further ado, let's get started with the process. First of all, open any web browser and go to the search box and search for www.hm.com. which is the official link for the website of H&M. Now, once you are here on the website, you can see various options available, but we have to tap on this person's icon right here, just beside the search option. Now, we have to start by entering our details, that is our email address and password. So let me enter my email address first. Here we go. Now, let's enter the password. Now, after entering your password, you can also make a check mark on this box if you want your details to be saved for this website. And at last, just tap on Sign In. Now, you have been logged in to your H&M account. Now, over here, you can see various options on this page. You can also see the options of Settings with the gear icon. We have to tap on this option of Settings in order to move further. So once you are here on the Settings page, scroll down below where you'll come across various options. Now at the bottom you'll see the option of Privacy. Just under Privacy you'll see the option of Change Password. So we have to tap on that option. Now over here you have to start by entering your current password. So make sure that you remember your current password that you have been using. So let me enter my current password. Now enter your new password and make sure that you create a strong password that meet the criteria listed below. Now you have to re-enter your password. And after this, you have to select the option of Change Password just below. So let's tap on it. And after doing all these steps, you will come to this page where you can see a pop-up that says your password has been changed. So, your H&M password has successfully been changed. Now you can use this platform to shop according to your choice. And that's all for today. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe our channel for further informative and guide videos.